Previously on First Travel and Eats.
Here's the menu. This is what we order for our first room. Alright, ladies. Here's the rest of our order. It's great.
Our travelers had some quick eats of sushi. Now they're going to IKEA for some shopping. What furniture will Andy and Lisa buy? What delicious food will they order? Stay tuned in to find out.
Alright. Where are we going, Andy?
We're going to IKEA. Louder, please.
I don't see IKEA. Maybe I do see IKEA.
Right there.
Hello, IKEA.
Right.
Now find a parking lot.
Okay, it's supposed to go over there. Let's fix it over there.
And the community garden of IKEA. Oh, let's head to the pier, catch the ferry, get to the city.
Not this time.
Alright, here's the hard part. Finding parking.
Alright, we're at IKEA. We're looking for furniture. And we're on the hunt. Do you like the monkey? Oh, it's a bear. Never mind. It was a monkey.
It's a little droopy, but it's lazing on the couch.
There's a table that opens up like this. Lisa wanted me to record this so much because she liked this kitchen so much. Why do you like this kitchen so much, Lisa?
It's so functional. I could put a double door fridge. There's a functional actually, I don't know if there's a microwave or an oven.
A what?
I don't know if there's a microwave or an oven, but it's a microwave. A lot of storage. Pantry space. Our lights even open. I have a functional stove. What a nice strong vent. Most importantly, double sinks. Not that I'm gonna do dishes. Double sinks.
Oh wow, look at this table. Lisa, show it off.
Turn off.
Yeah.
You fit 4 to 6 people. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
And then
Guess what? You could close it too.
Careful.
So easy I can do it.
Wow.
And then this one, you could actually close this too, but I do it this way.
Very good if you're limited on spaces for.
This, you hide this somewhere in your kitchen, and then your kitchen can double as a dining room later on when you need it.
Very convenient if you don't have a lot of space.
And we also have cubbies here. What to put here? Utensils, napkins, excess stuff, storage.
If I ever had a house, I would want the kitchen to be like this. Wow, the bed section. And with the bed section comes a great view. Where the IKEA ship is, I don't know where that is though. Which?
I think it's.
Oh, I think it docks over there. No, wait, where's it dock? I don't even know where.
It's a nice place to be walking. Bring your dogs.
Lisa can't get away from it.
Maybe not this one. I want a cute looking. You know, this one actually looks okay. It looks okay.
Alright, here's a real reason why we're here. For the Swedish meatballs.
You want to go now? It's like height of lunch.
Yeah, of course. It's fine. Go find a seat. Hey, here we're on the line and we're waiting. Here's the menus.
How many meatballs do you want?
I want all the meatballs, Lisa. All the meatballs in the world.
8, 12, or 16.
Up to you. Alright, we got our foods as you saw before. We got the meatballs. They didn't have any greens left, so we have only a mac and cheese. So we got, like the salmon salad, and with I think
it has potato salad.
Yeah, potato salad and some veggies. And then to finish it off, we got the chocolate cake and the cheesecake.
Cheesecake with graham cracker.
Alright, hopefully there's enough battery on the mic.
I wish there were some green beans.
The mac and cheese it's pretty good. It's not dry at all.
Which is good. You actually feel it's real potato.
You mean there's baked potato?
Like the powder.
Oh. Yeah.
Just some jam. I feel like the purpose of the jam was with peas.
Oh yeah. But jam is still good. Back in the day, I think meatballs were like $8 for like a 12.
Price is going up.
Inside the meatball's not dry. Good.
Smoked salmon salad.
Let's try the potatoes first.
I'm gonna try the potato salad.
Good.
Just the way I like it.
Yeah.
You need a lemon?
Or a salad, yeah.
For the salmon?
Oh, it does for everything, no?
Well, it's on everything now.
We're gonna mix the sauce into
I
everything?
just want to taste a little bit of sauce.
Oh,
It's like
What?
a honey mustard sauce.
yeah.
Last time we got smoked salmon, it came with this similar sauce.
Yeah, but you don't want to eat the salad by itself. It's gonna be too whatever.
I just want to try the salmon.
How is it? Oh, it's just literally just gonna eat it like whole.
There's only a limited number of pieces here.
I know, there's two for each of us.
Alright, now let's mix it together.
Alright, this is yours. I mean, this is mine, this is yours. Got it?
Sure. This is my potato salad.
You really can't go wrong with like honey mustard.
Well, I guess it depends on like what's the dish. There's a lot.
At least there's two
This is
pieces
my favorite.
potato salad. I feel like the salad might be a little pricey.
Yes, based on the price that we saw, it was like twice the price.
No, but it said just salad. This is smoked salmon with salad.
But there's only two salads. It was either Caesar
True.
or the other salad had salmon on it. It said salmon and potato.
Oh.
So I eat all the potato salad without me. It's good, right?
Yeah. Especially with the herbs on top.
Oh, this smoked salmon is like herb crusted. And there's dill and the mustard salad, the honey mustard.
There's what?
Dill.
What's dill?
Type of spice. See, it's like shaped like that. Maybe I should start eating salads more often.
What are you talking about? It's not a real salad anyway. It's half a salad.
It's so good.
Huh?
It's so good.
Yeah.
Hey, why did you do that?
My bad, sorry.
This is what happens when you take a child out, okay?
I'm not. Shut up. Wait, let's mix the potato with some of the sauce.
Jam on meatball. Where are we going for dinner?
You'll see in the next episode.
No.
What?
We've been through
Oh
this.
yeah,
Do not
sorry,
eat my happy-
sorry.
The story is, we've been here before, very early on in the we're seeing each other days. I'm like eating my meatball, I cut it in half. I eat one side of my meatball. And then I go back to my second side of the meatball, and it's like, oh, this guy's like eating my half of meatball and eating whole meatballs. Doesn't even know which meatball's his.
Cheesecake or chocolate first?
I guess cheesecake, because chocolate is so strong.
Oh wait, this is the weak crust.
Yeah, he wanted the cheesecake because he said it had like graham cracker cookie.
Yeah, it's the thick crust. But this is like super soft crust. It's not that. It's meh. I mean, it's okay. Honestly, I feel like they copied Junior's. I don't know why. We ate a Junior's cheesecake recently, and like, it tasted the same. To be honest, honestly, the graham cracker doesn't even have any effect.
This reminds me of a Costco cheesecake. Not the one that they bake in house. The ones that come in a box. At least the cheesecakes today were, actually dessert today was buy one, get the second one, 50% off. If you were an IKEA
Family member, and it's free to sign up.
Remember she got 2 entrees too, because that was the same price for the entrees. Buy one, get one half off. But we got a salad instead. But the salad was good. What do you think about the salad?
I think the salad was good. It was decent. I mean, just if it was just a salad, then it's just like it's a salad, whatever. But the salmon and like the potato salad was pretty good.
Unfortunately, it's not my favorite with the crust. And we had Junior's cheesecake this past 2 weeks. We've been spoiled with cheesecake.
It's not that great. I mean, it's okay. I'm getting both Junior and this cake. I don't know why, but it tastes the same to me, or it feels the same.
This guy his taste is like a little off. Junior's cheesecake, the cheese is so rich, and there's sweetness, but this one has like an extra source of sweetness from the graham cracker or whatever crust they have. But this sweetness is like, so it has a little cinnamony taste that the Juniors don't have. And trust me, that Junior's cheesecake, the cheese, high quality. All right, well it's time for the real highlight.
We don't even know if this is a real highlight.
Well, I want the chocolate cake, and this is double chocolate. He's right, too much chocolate. Now we know. No desserts unless you really need it.
Told you get one like cake. I mean, this cake isn't that bad. I like the chocolate.
You know why? It's not too sweet. It's a dark chocolate. And the cream itself is not like overpoweringly sweet. It's growing on me. What I need now is just like a cup of coffee.
You want the last bite or should I?
That's like 2 bites.
We were also eating to a great view. Alright, but here's the real thing. How was the IKEA food?
It's good, I would say. Actually that salad was nice. I want to say like
Wow, really?
like a 9, 8.5 to a 9.
For a salad.
Yeah, I like. It has the things that I like: potato salads.
Yeah, but you're giving it a 9 compared to like all the other restaurants we eat. You think it's a 9?
Where did I give a 9 that you think can compare?
I don't remember. Okay, we have to look past at the past videos.
Well, I'm giving the salad a 9. You know, that's because I don't normally eat salads a lot. If it was, usually it's just typically like a Caesar salad, and this is like a different type of salad. You know.
It was good. I'll give it like maybe a 7.
For the salad.
A 7 is above average, you know that,
Just
right?
for the salad, right?
Yeah.
Well, the reason why I'm giving the salad 9 is because, like, I would eat it again. I would eat it, like, once a week, twice a week. It's like, that's how I'm rating it, by how often I would like to enjoy the food again.
Okay. How
Where
about
if I gave something a 7, I might eat it, like, once
no?
every 2 or 3 months, maybe.
That's a 5. 5 is like average, like oh, okay, yeah, sure. 7 is like, oh wow, this is pretty good. 9 is like, I want this every day of my life.
Actually, I'd be okay eating that salad like every day.
Okay, whatever. All right, how the meatballs and stuff?
Very standard. It's nice. You know, like your typical 7.5, 8.
And then the dessert.
Dessert, like a 7.
I'm giving this whole thing a 7. The IKEA maybe a 6.9.
Oh, really? I'm closer to like maybe like a 7.5 to an 8.
Wow. Okay, for IKEA food. Okay, remember IKEA
Yeah,
food.
it's nice. I mean, the thing is just because like if I was nearby, I don't mind coming here for lunch. You know, 5 days
Yeah.
a week.
But this is all the way in Red Hook, so probably not.
I'm curious to see if we were ever to go to IKEA in like a different country or whatever, if the standards be a little different. I'm just curious.
Maybe.
I want chandeliers.
We're getting it. Like we're definitely gonna get this chandelier.
There's not even a chandelier. Is it?
What would you call this then?
Looks like a Star Wars thing.
Look at that. That's awesome. We're definitely gonna get that. Oh wow, there's so much people at IKEA today. Dude, look at the checkout line. It goes all the way back there. We're gonna be here for a while. Alright, Lisa's getting some ice cream because she didn't have enough dessert.
Well, I wanted more food and eating my meatballs, my half meatballs.
You're supposed to give me 4.
I'm just joking with you, cheese.
No, I'm not eating. Alright. Lisa, how's your ice cream?
Tastes like Mr. Softies, actually.
Softy?
Tastes like Mr. Softies. You know, for the ice cream truck? But this is yogurt.
Yeah, it's pretty good for yogurt.
Next time on First Travel Needs, our travelers head to the new Bandai Namco Cross store in Brooklyn.
Wow, look at all the Gachapons. Let's do like a quick look over, and then let's do a general look over, and then go back to what we want to look. Me and Lisa are gonna play this game. I'm gonna try to record this.
What will our travelers buy at the new store? Will they get the high score in the drum game? Tune in next week to find out. Also leave a comment on what you bought last at IKEA. And remember to like and subscribe.